Heading over to the lava tubes. Let's go. Half a mile. So pretty. Alright, just made it to the lava tubes. I really like the entrance into it. So it's a little steep. It's coming down. Enter at your own risk. Spooky. There it is. So cool. Okay, so I just got to the entrance of the lava tube. Let's walk in there. Here we go. Isn't that crazy? That's smart. People had me have a flashlight. So it feels very cool in here. And we are walking inside of essentially what was the remnants of a lava flow. So this was formed about 500 years ago when molten lava cooled on the outside and then drained, which left an empty tube. So its Hawaiian name is Nahuku, which means protuberances, and that refers to the rough ceiling and the different lava stalactites that it formed. So essentially what you tend to see in caves, that's what you see in here. So this is about 500 to 600 feet long. And it was discovered in 1913 by Thurston. And he's actually a pretty key figure in terms of establishing the national park. Oh, I totally just stepped in a puddle. Okay, watch out for puddles. So since this is a darker environment, it actually hosts unique biofilms that eat rocks, actually. So cool. There's definitely parts where like the ceiling is taller and shorter. It's gonna open back up again. The ceilings are definitely shorter right here. There you go. Let's open back up. So nice. Feels really nice in here. I like to, we have these lights on. There's actually been a time I've been over here when there wasn't lights. That was actually during the government shutdown, so I don't know if that was part of it, but I think one tip could be maybe bring a flashlight just in case, because you never know. But how cool is that? Just walk through a piece of natural history. Okay, now we're back up here. So pretty. I love the birds.